Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reply to a tweet on Twitter X. Please make sure to watch this video till the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive into it. So open up your Play or App Store, search for Twitter, and make sure Twitter is updated to the latest version. If it says open, that means it is already updated to the latest version, so you want to open that up. And then find the post or the tweet where you like to reply back to. For example, I'm going to click on this one. So click on this little speech bubble there. And here, that's where you can post your reply. So I'm just going to write down amazing. And then here, you can put in a photo or a video, put in a GIF, put in a location if you like to. And if I keep writing here, you can see the circle on the bottom right hand side is starting to fill up. So there is a limit on the character count. So you would see that character count there. So be mindful, you want to keep that under, I think it's about around 280 characters. So anyways, once you've done typing your reply, just click on reply at the top right hand corner of your screen. Let me remove all this gibberish. So I'm going to click on reply. And then it should say up the top, reply sent. Now to view all your replies, go back up to your profile. So click into your profile. And then here it will say replies. So click on to replies. And this is the list of all your replies you've made on Twitter X. So thanks for watching this video to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.